Sorry, it's my catchphrase now. Comes with the suit. So, no more adventure? Involved? Don't let this hit my goal ever? Yeah. Why would I ever be human when I can have rocket boots? Rocket boots! Now, prepare to go! Don't hurt me. I'm just going to real more. Just like